Hello everybody, this is Miss Schaffer from North Webster Junior High, and today I'm going to teach you a lesson on how to use the race method. We're going to do this through watching a video titled Fireflies. Before we begin today's lesson, I would like for you to pause this video and take a few minutes to answer the following questions on a sheet of paper. Number 1, what is friendship? Number 2, does everyone need to be the same? Why or why not? And number 3, how can we truly know one another? Now I'd like for you to go to YouTube and search for Fireflies Jubilee Project and watch the short video titled Fireflies. It is 5 minutes and 53 seconds long. Please pause the video and watch Fireflies now. Now that you have watched the video, we are first going to review what the race method is. In the race method, the R stands for restate. When you restate, you're going to restate the question by turning the question into a statement. The A stands for answer. Answer all parts of the question. Be sure if it has multiple parts not to leave any out. The C stands for cite. That's where you're going to give examples and evidence from the text, beginning with something like the text states, or in paragraph 4, or in the case like today where you're citing evidence from a video, you might say something like according to the video or in the film. And the last letter of race is the E. The E is where you're going to explain how your evidence supports your answer by saying something like, this shows that, or this means that. Now that we've reviewed the race method, I would like for you to pause the video again and answer this question on paper using the race method. The question says, in the video Fireflies, how did Peter feel when he learned that Annie was autistic? Please pause the video and respond to your question using the race method. Now that you've answered your question using the race method, let's look at a sample response. As we're looking at the response, you'll notice that each of the 4 parts of the race method have been highlighted in a different color. The restate is in blue, the answer is in yellow, the C for citing evidence is in green, and the explanation is in bright pink. Let's talk about or read the response. In the video Fireflies, Peter feels, that's your restate, interested when he learns that Annie is autistic. He has enjoyed the time that they have shared through the window, and he wants to be friends with her even if it means that their friendship will be different. That's the answer. According to the video, Peter decides to buy flashlights for him and Annie to communicate as fireflies do. That's where you're citing your evidence. And your explanation says, because Peter was willing to go the extra mile, this shows that he truly likes Annie and wants to be her friend even though she is different. So you can see that by using the race method, we have fully answered all parts of the question as well as giving evidence and explanation to support our response. For more home learning activities, be sure to visit the COVID-19 resource portal at www.websterpsb.org.